Hello guys and welcome back to MS Select Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 packet burst loss, and let's get straight into the video. So the first method you guys can do is just go over to your search bar in the top bottom left, type in control panel. From control panel, make your way over to network and internet, go over to network and sharing center, and then click on change adapter settings. From here you can just click on whatever your Wi-Fi is, right click on it, hit, or if you're using Ethernet, just use Ethernet, but whatever you're using. Anyways, right click on properties, and then from here, just make your way down to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Anyways, just hit properties and then go over to use the following DNS server address. And for the preferred DNS address, you just want to change it to 8.8.8.8. And then the second one, you just want to do 8.8.4.4. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you can hit OK, and then you can just hit close, and then that should be good to go. You can either try restarting your PC, and what you can also do for the second method is you can simply just restart your Wi-Fi router, because that also does work 90% of the time. So if you don't know how to do that, you could just unplug the power cord from the Wi-Fi router, wait about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that should basically be it for the video. That is how to, fix any type of packet loss or just ping issues in Black Ops 6. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.